Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am back and please do not beat me up. This is why your girl is helping Jolo with a little business that he is starting. So we need to show up and show face and be the supportive partners. So in that process, I was unable to come and make videos, but the work is a bit easy and I might be able to come and show face as expected. Can we wrap up Izingani Zestembu? I know I'm 2 weeks late, but I'm here. Now we know that the overall feeling or the general feeling of Izingani Zestembu season 3 was that Ijege was the order of the day. The whole discussion was around Usne, Nejege, Nutirelo drinking alcohol. But it also seemed like Utirelo was go-wishing the very same way Uvuyokazi was go-wishing, which proved the point yokuthi uSibindi is just a typical man. It does not matter who you are. If he needs to treat you the way akutreata ngakhona, he will do that. U-Amahle even said ukuthi munike ingane wena uzokubonisa ukuthi ungubani. But let's speak about the children's contribution, right? What is their contribution to the show individually? I'm going to start with Abongwe. Abongwe, fine, she did the dinner on the table where we spoke about that briefly. Do I still know Abongwe? Yes, I only know Abongwe because of her TikTok account. Her TikTok account is teaching me ukuthi she's a girl that wants to know how to cook, and so that the wife that she's going to marry will not have to cook. Furthermore, it's also teaching me ukuthi she's not the best dancer, but she's one who's willing to try and have some fun with her friends. But I would also like to know more ukuthi what is she studying, how far is she with her studies, what are the struggles that she's experiencing in school, and because the whole thing, or the gist of things, we don't necessarily want to know about their drama, about their mjolo only, but we want to know their lifestyle. What have they achieved? Is she renting, or has she bought the place that she's staying in? Who's paying it for her? If she's paying it for herself, how is she managing? How is she raising funds? And then the brands that she's getting, abo is it Norox or no, between the two, how did she receive them, how did they approach, like such things, you see. But she did cook a wonderful meal and host the family, which was a plus. Then we have Ulwandle. Outside the fact that she did not impregnate anyone, as the rumors that were circulating on Facebook, and the fact that he is not ready to get married. He said he does not have the money to get married, and therefore not making him ready, and that he's got somebody. Yeah. Overall, that's it. I don't know what are Lwandle's likes, what are Lwandle's dislikes. I don't know ukuthi the truck business that he wanted to start, iphelelepi, the security business. We know ukuthi that he wanted to start with Usibindi. The mother interfered, and Usibindi continued with the idea alone. But like, I still don't know Ulwandle. I don't know anything about Ulwandle, and I would feel ukuthi if they decide to do season 4, give us the backgrounds of these people. What is he working on now? You know, everything, the aspirations, the likes, and and then there's Umpilo Entle. Umpilo Entle ube nema confrontation there and there, also adding and spicing up the drama. But I feel ukuthi I don't need to see her at work, but at least maybe her explaining her job, what she likes about it, talking something indeed that has to do naye. Because remember, we're following them and we want to like them as individuals, not as abantwana bakamseleku, right? And we want to follow them because At this point, the only thing that is making us watch is because abantwana bakamseleku. But we need to know ukuthi ugirl njengoba sebenza, how did she land the job? If she landed the job via her connections, how is she handling? How is the job now? We see that she's doing activities and they're playing games at work via TikTok. But outside TikTok, let her share something like her journey. She finished her studies now, of which we congratulate her. But what's next for her? Like, you see, outside the fighting and the bickering, what are we learning? Because we need to aspire something, or we need to take something as viewers. We need to learn something. For me, it's not about them being abantwana bakamseleku. It's not about them being fighting and stuff. And they keep on telling us things kuma diaries that they are not discussing, and we are not there for their diaries. We're there for their daily lives. I feel ukuthi the story of her mother, and her, the surname thingy, could have been maybe not put on Seleku's show and rather slaughtered in their show, so that at least there's something to speak about Umpilo. That's just me. Then kube nobani noSne. uSne, our queen decided ukuthi this year she's going to be prim and proper. This year no disable formed against her shall prosper. This year disable shall not say anything negative about her. This year disable shall behave accordingly, and I did. uSne served us, but I didn't appreciate Kuti. In the end, she said she had a boyfriend in. We did not. For personally me, I did not need to see the boyfriend, but just to say I met this guy. This is how he is. The relationship has been this far. Talk about it. Speak with him on the phone. Show us, because we know Kuti. uSne is willing to be her true self. She's not going to hide like the others in honor of the father's surname. She's just going to say, this is a reality TV and this is what people want to know, and I'm going to give them just that. But she was a lot reserved, even though she was poked there and there, time and again. Ukro remained composed, and can we say congratulations to uSne for that? I really enjoyed to see uSne being the composed Sne and not necessarily be the center of attention when it comes to drama. Ukro fought what she needed to fight and just kept her mouth shut in things that she saw which they were not beneficial. And then the star of the show was obviously uSibindi rather, no, Umpumelelo, uSibindi nabafazi bakhe, or namacheri wakhe wasemjolweni, right? And the whole thing. But now I think ukuthi Amahle, we agree ukuthi she's a bit reserved, she's a bit silent, but Ugirl has to just speak and say something if the other season is returning. Smazi kancane there and there ukuthi kahle kahle ugela uthandani, uchazwa yini and stuff, right? Also, the ending for me for Tirelo was wow and beautiful, because uSibindi realized ukuthi losing Tirelo after losing uVuyokazi was not going to do him justice. I think ukuthi in his own way uSibindi does love uTirelo and would have seen ukuthi losing this one is going to make me hurt, going to make me suffer, because I think also we can all agree ukuthi more than uSibindi himself, uTirelo was more loved by uBaba Mseleku, not uTirelo rather, uVuyokazi, and uBaba Mseleku wanted that relationship to work so much, maybe because uSibindi had his first child with uVuyokazi and stuff. So now, in the end, Utirelo was proposed, or totally proposal ugele. For me, where I'm seated, I was like, I don't see the need for the proposal. Why? Because Utirelo already knows ukuthi uSibindi uyamthanda nan. The only thing that is essential was for him to commit ukuthi I'm going to pay lobola on this day, when your parents have now accepted the whole thing. But the gesture was beautiful. Utirelo deserved it. Utirelo deserved it, because Ugirl has been with uSibindi through thick and thin. I would love, okay, the ring was not there, but what I also liked was that umfana ubuzile ngesizulu bakithi wathi uyangifaka noma uyangikhipha. Athi hayi ngiyakufaka. So the advice that Utirelo kept on giving uVuyokazi to say, hey yehla intaba, not uVuyokazi, Amahle rather, ukuthi yehla intaba, hey, this has been this been is that, is the very Sibindi that she's willing to die on. She's willing ukuthi aqhubeke noSibindi, but keep on advising Masingu Amahle, which for me did not make sense. But the overall view of this season was not giving as it should have been giving, or as per our expectations. We are yet going to see ukuthi no uzokhipha kwenzakaleni kulezi ezinye. I'm hoping that when they come back with a bang, and they tell us more about themselves, and we get to know more about them. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you, and I am sorry for bringing everything so late. Next time I will be on the expected time. Please do like and subscribe. Please also watch my previous videos. I love you. Bye.